This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York AM session, and today is July 13th, 2025. Currently, I am holding for a potential long position in Bitcoin currently. I've taken a few trades today so far. I'll walk you through what I have while Bitcoin is still deciding a direction here, price action wise. So this morning, two positions I took in Bitcoin. The first here, I'll remove this Fibonacci retracement tool here. Just got a new 5-minute candle here, price trading at 118, price trading near the $118,420 level. At the London Open, this is the area of price action here at the London Open, and seeing this in conjunction with the fair value gaps that are here and that are here. So when London opens up right here in this candle where this arrow is, London opens up here. Actually, let me change this color since I have yellow up here. So price action opens up here in my trade window. I take a short based off of this fair value gap here. Price was actively trading in this area. It's actually above the fair value gap. What I failed to do, or failed to pay attention to do, was check whether or not this fair value gap had been rebalanced, and just a few candles later this had already been rebalanced. But that doesn't always stop price action from returning to those gaps. You can see price action reaching back into that gap and holding. But I set my stop for the high of the swing here with the fair value gap and traded a measured, or attempted to trade a measured move off of this. So took an entry here and then wound up, took a short position here, right here. And wound up getting stopped out here. Price traded through that fair value gap. And then price reacted. I'll move, zoom in here. Price reacted from the higher fair value gap right here. So when I observed that happen, I took a second entry here based off of the reaction to the second fair value gap in the series of fair value gaps, and then traded for a 2-to-1 position, and then was able to take profits down here at 2-to-1, and then price continued here to set this low of the session, and now price has been delivered to the buy side since then, and up here testing the previous all-time high here in this level. And then if we go up on my tickets for today, let's move this and see. All right. If we have a look at my history for today, you can see this being the first trade here during the London session, and then exiting here with this loss, even though my loss was larger than what's reflected here. And then second position here at 140, off here at 245, and about a $4 profit here. So keeping size small as I am learning this new system. So my system is based off of the ICT Silver Bullet trading methodology here. So using fair value gaps to take entries during certain time periods based on algorithm behavior or algorithmic behavior, if I'm saying that correctly. So right now, I am anticipating a pullback for a leg higher here. And then I haven't been using Fibonacci as much because I'm trying to focus more on what I feel like matters, which is the fair value gap. But to get some information on Fibonacci is useful to see where I'm at here. So this fair value gap is setting up here right at the 62%. I don't have a fair value gap to the long side that I'm aware of that I could trade off of here 10 minutes into the window. If there were one, it would need to be up here in this area. So potentially this fair value gap here could be the gap. Let's take a look here. What time is it? Okay, 8, we get a sell, get a buy, get a sell. So right now it looks like price is trading down into this fair value gap. There is a fair value gap here at the all-time high. Let's see if that's been violated. What's the close here? 118.7094. No, because I would count it up here. So there's still a fair value gap up here that's being traded into right now. So technically this would be a short. Let's turn this thing around here. Let's see. 118.882.7 minus 118.371. 1 times 0.9 minus 118.371. 117.910.5. Okay. Stop loss is going to be the all-time high. 118.882.9. And my entry can be right here. 18.6. What is 16? 16.5. Here we go. Let's take this short. Okay. 534.9 is where I got in here. That is contacted within my trading window. So now being my trading window, the nearest fair value gap or the nearest, this is something related here. Getting buy side delivery here. Now getting some sell side delivery. As I was mentioning previously, this fair value gap here, this is the range that's being traded in, and as you can see, there's not been a rebalance of this fair value gap, so it's open and available, and the high of the three candles is here. I put my stop loss above the swing high for any fair value gaps. I just don't like the kind of the naked three candle fair value gap series that doesn't contain a swing high or a swing low. So I base my stops off of these swings. So back to buy side delivery here. Price trading near the 118,700 level. May get stopped out here. Buy side delivery with speed. Now we're getting some sell side delivery and consolidation here. Price trading back at the 118,650 level. Now consolidating. So price was up near the 118,750 level and had a reaction from that level. Now more buy side delivery and a reaction. Price reaching the 118,780 level. And more buy side delivery here. And stopped out. So price never came back down into the fair value gap here, and is now put in new all-time highs. Yeah, so no pullback to any fair value gaps here. So what did it do here at the one? Because I wanted the long for sure. Just was not made available. And you can see price pulls back, but doesn't really make any contact with anything. 0.46. It does come into contact with equilibrium here, but does not tap into this order block. So the equilibrium here was enough. Let's look at the history here. 813, 818. Okay. $8, 18, definitely one of the shorter trades here that I've taken. 80, 2 to 1. value gap put in here. I'm just going to set up just in case this sets back up here. Since that previous fair value gap was not rebalanced. Let's see what happens with this one. 118.4558. And now just putting in the measured move here. $126.12.10. Okay. Stop. I need to change that. Minus swing here. 118.446. $658.2. Stop. 118.444. And target entry 118.915.3. Okay. 34.45. That's 172. Okay. Let's see, 1758. 58.63, 17, 58.63. 17. Okay, so this is about a 3.5 to 1 trade here. And we'll see if this fair value gap will be tested here. Sell side delivery. Price consolidating around the 119,000 level. Price consolidating between the 119,020 level and 119,050 level. Now trading near 119,000, consolidating up to 119,080. $119,050. Some sell side delivery here. Consolidation. Quite a large bullish fair value gap here. Price trading at the 119,000 level. Consolidating here. Price currently consolidating between 119,000 and 119,050. Price now trading near the 119,080 level, 119,120. Buy side delivery coming in here. Price consolidating here, 119,120 level. Sell side delivery here with speed, 119,080 level. $119,000. Sell side delivery with speed here, consolidating here at the 119,020 level, 119,080. 119,050. So Price consolidating between the 119,000 and 119,100 levels. Price being delivered to the sell side here for the past 10 minutes and continuing in this 5-minute candle as well. $119,020, price consolidating. Price testing the 119,000 level. Consolidating here. 118,980. Price potentially testing the previous 5-minute candle low. And price trades below the previous 5-minute candle low. Price approaching entry. And entry. Getting some reaction from that level. Price contacted the fair value gap. Had my entry 10 cents within the fair value gap here. And price reacting, being delivered to the buy side here. Price back at the 119,000 level. And consolidating 118,980, 118,950 level, consolidating here. Price trading to the sell side, 118,920, trading around that level currently. Some buy-side delivery here with speed. Price trading back into the range of the previous 5-minute candle, trading around the 119,000 level. Price consolidating here near the 119,000 level, now at 118,980 level. Now back to 119,000. Price consolidating here. Price now trading or consolidating here around the 119,000 level. Consolidating still. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle and new 5-minute candle. Getting sell side delivery in this candle. Testing the 118,920 level. And testing the previous 5-minute candle low. Previous 5-minute candle low is 118,900. So testing that low now. And reacting from that level. Let's see, we've got an entry here, 832. just a reward. 3.5 to 1. Okay. Price testing the low and is now put in a new 5-minute low by 20 cents here. Price consolidating here near the $118,920 level. So price consolidating here just above my entry, or just at the top of the fair value gap here. So price seems to be reacting from this fair value gap. Price is not being delivered deep into the fair value gap, or at least not as of yet. So this fair value gap may hold up as is, or price could be delivered to the sell side deeper into it. Definitely got a reaction from the fair value gap in this candle here, but wasn't sustained. As you can see, the majority of the body is still bull or bearish here, and then the following candle only sell side delivery with a new 5-minute low here, and continued delivery here to the sell side with some speed here. Price now trading near the 118,850 level. And more sell side delivery with speed here. Price near the 118,800 level. Now with 118,820. Consolidating here near the 118,000 level. So price being delivered lower into the fair value gap here. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. So 4 candles in a row here with sell side delivery. So sell side delivery for the last 20 minutes here. Was able to take an entry in the previous 5-minute candle. And price now trading within the fair value gap. Another new 5-minute candle low here. Now getting some consolidation and some potential buy side delivery here. Price trading near the 118,800 level. Sell side delivery with speed there, and consolidating back to buy side delivery with speed here. So however this trade plays out, it's going to be a while, but I can say price action wise, this is looking bullish to me. Would anticipate the pullback and had the entry set there at the pullback. So this is looking appropriate here, and this candle looks like it may want to put in an engulfing pattern and trade through the low and the high of the previous 5-minute candle. But it seems like Bitcoin is seeing some buy-side delivery here, and if it can continue, then we'll see if I can get to take profit here. But I've got some things to take care of today, so I won't be able to nurse this position into take profit or into stopping out. But hopefully all will go well. And this has been On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy for the New York AM session.